Hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the famous Anna Marie Island. Welcome to the DayBreak. This is going to be 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2792 square feet under air with a dedicated office and or den and a 3-car garage in the back. Let's go inside and take a look. So here is your front porch area. And again, turning back around, this one does have a little view of the lake in the front. Let's go inside. Opening up the front door. Here is your dedicated office and or den towards the front. I love the double windows, brings in plenty of natural light. Turning back around, let's go into the main home itself. So here is your main living space. Love the ceiling detail. Going over to your chef kitchen. This one does have an upgraded Jen appliance package, and I love the dual color cabinets. Going over to the dining space. Dining space has 3 large windows, brings in plenty of natural light. Turning back around at the kitchen. Again, absolutely beautiful. Going over into the living space. Towards the back, you'll have your owner bedroom. Owner bedroom does have double windows, brings in plenty of natural light. And then here is the owner bath. You do have a dedicated soaking tub and a walk-in tiled shower, double vanities, and then here is the walk-in closet. Another view of the owner bath. Going into your owner bedroom. This model also has a half bath towards the front. And then also towards the front, if we go over to the right, you have 2 guest bedrooms. Guest bedroom number 1. Nice walk-in closet. Guest bedroom number 2 right next door. And again, another little walk-in closet, which is really nice. And then right across the hall, you'll have a full guest bath, double vanities, and a shower tub combo, tile all the way to the ceiling. And you even have a bonus living space in the back, which is really nice. Okay guys, let's go show the pool area. And there's even a 3rd bath for your pool guest. So coming towards the back. First thing I want to show you guys is the pool bath. So here's your pool bath right over here.